every week. Linebackers, O-line, D-line. We're going to win this game, we're going to win it up front. Believe that. Believe in each other. Communicate. Dominate. Dominate. Dominate.
Chargers going to receive. That's kind of a new one, isn't it? And the Chargers, only about 4 minutes in, have the lead here in Atlanta. Knocked away, incomplete. Well, you knew that any self-inflicted wounds would be a problem here, and the Chargers are starting to do that old thing. And the Chargers get a little closer here late in the second quarter. 27-17, the high-scoring game that we expected has actually showed up.
We came in at halftime, and I must have said it 7 or 8 times. We're going to win the game. You know, we're going to win this game. We were just kind of like, I don't know how, but we're going to win the game. And then we believed that and just kept chipping away.
Ryan swarmed and Moses got him. Chargers trailing by 7 and need to make a stand right here defensively. Back goes Ryan looking to throw. Pocket collapsing on him. He gets it into coverage. Intercepted! Chargers take it away. It's Perryman. 4th and 2 at their own 43-yard line. Gates first down at the 47-yard line. 30-30. 1 second on the clock. Ball down, on its way. Lifting to the left, hit the upright, no good. We're going overtime. Quarterback sneak, Ryan did not get there. 4th and 1 from their own 45 in overtime. And they will go for it. The handoff, Freeman didn't get it. He's dumped in the backfield. The Chargers will take over with a chance to win the game. Denzel Perryman did it again. Ready for a win in Atlanta? Let's see if Lambeau can do it. Ball down, ball up, on its way. It is good! The script has been flipped. The season's been saved. Down go the Dirty Birds in Atlanta. Josh Lambeau hit it, letter perfect. And with 9:01 left in overtime, it ends. San Diego 33, Atlanta 30.
It was awesome. And then to win like that made it that much more special.